Hi, I'm Jeff Morrison, and today I'm going to be reviewing the Rode Vlogger Kit. The Rode Vlogger Kit is a great starting package for any beginning vlogger. It includes a microphone, an LED light with a variety of filters, and a grip that doubles as a tripod. There are 3 versions available, one for Apple phones, one for Android, and one for anyone that still has a phone with a headphone jack. Design. Let's take a look at the Vlogger Kit's constituent pieces. Up top is an LED light with a built-in rechargeable battery. This is the lowest setting. It gets even brighter. Okay, yeah, that's much better. To go with the light, there are 8 colored filters, including a diffuser and several warming and cooling filters. There's even green and magenta. I found that if you're careful, you can stack 2 together, with the diffuser and the orange warming filter combining for a very respectable look. Next is the clamp that holds your phone. Unlike some mounts, this one tightens via a thumb screw at the top. I prefer this, actually, over a spring, since it's easier to get secure without feeling like it's going to crush my phone. The bracket itself is aluminum, with rubber inside where it grips the phone. On the bottom is a standard tripod mount, and on the top, a cold shoe where you can mount the LED light. This mount attaches to the included hand grip / tripod. It's far sturdier than you might expect, something that can be said for all the pieces of the Vlogger Kit. They all feel quite well made. The grip's head pivots and secures tightly. It's not a gimbal, of course, but we'll talk about that later. Lastly, the microphone. With the Apple and Android versions of the Vlogger Kit, the mic connects directly to the Lightning or USB-C connector on your phone. If you don't have one of those connectors, but do have a headphone jack, the 3rd version of the Vlogger Kit connects that way. The microphone itself has a cardioid pickup pattern, and on the back, there's a headphone jack for monitoring. It comes with a windshield, or tribble as I call it. Some people call it a dead cat, which seems way worse, to cut down on wind noise. Performance. I guess there's only 2 aspects of the Vlogger Kit where I can really judge performance. Well, 2.5. The first I already mentioned. The LED light cube is great. It's small, bright, and lasts a while. In the medium brightness mode, it should stay lit for over an hour and a half. Then you can charge it via USB-C. The half of the 2.5 is the tripod handle. It's good, fits well in my hand, your hand may vary, and the ball head secures quite well. The only issue is that it's not a gimbal. That's certainly not Rode's fault or anything. It's not intending to be a gimbal. It's not like the handle woke up one day and decided to go back to school to be a gimbal. But I think gimbals are an important part of any vlogger's kit. Small v, small k. They can make your footage look far more professional. I have a DJI gimbal, which works great, but the way the Rode mic mounts to the phone, it interferes with how the gimbal goes a-gimbaling. The microphone itself is quite good, as you'd hope. In fact, I used it to record the voiceover for this video. The only downside is when the mic is attached to the phone, it becomes much harder to hear the farther you get away from the mic. If you're mostly recording handheld videos, or you're at least close to the phone while you're recording, I doubt you'd need any other mic. If you want to record from a distance, of course, you'll need a wireless option. Final Vlogger thoughts. For $150, I'm greatly impressed with the Vlogger Kit. The overall build quality is excellent, and there are several little touches that weren't strictly necessary, but great additions, like the filters and the tribble. What would I improve? Not much, to be honest. I like the rubber suspension mount that comes with the 3rd version of the kit. Neither the Lightning nor the USB-C version have it, since their microphones plug in directly. I suppose it's not strictly needed, but it would have been a nice option. And that's it, actually. For a starter vlogging kit, the Vlogging Kit really gets you started. How's that for a sentence to end on? Check out my full review on Forbes. The link is in the description below. I'm still new to video reviews and video in general, so please leave me a comment below and let me know what you think. And of course, like and subscribe. That actually does help. That's why everybody says it. Thanks for watching.